Handcrafted wooden side tables are increasingly popular in modern home design, particularly those that embody the concept of rustic elegance. This style effortlessly merges the charm of rustic design with refined elements, resulting in pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The appeal of rustic elegance lies in its ability to create warmth and character in any setting, fostering a sense of comfort and inviting relaxation while maintaining a sophisticated edge. Crafting wooden side tables that exemplify this aesthetic involves a keen understanding of both the materials and the techniques involved in woodworking. For many artisans, the journey begins with the selection of wood. The choice of timber significantly influences the final appearance and durability of the piece. Woods like reclaimed barnwood, walnut, oak, or pine are often favored for their unique grains and textures, providing an authentic rustic feel. Reclaimed wood, in particular, brings a story to the piece, having been previously used for other purposes and boasting a history that new materials lack. This quality often resonates with consumers seeking not just furniture, but items that carry a narrative of sustainability and character. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of Rustic Elegance Handcrafted wooden side table. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In the creation of handcrafted wooden side tables, the design process plays a crucial role. Rustic elegance allows for a variety of design styles, from more traditional forms featuring sturdy, chunky legs and rounded edges to sleek, modern interpretations that incorporate clean lines and minimalistic elements. Each design direction offers the opportunity to express personal style while catering to the preferences of various consumers. For example, a side table with a distressed finish and asymmetrical legs can evoke a sense of farmhouse charm, while one featuring straight, polished lines and elegant joints can reflect a more contemporary, upscale aesthetic. The craftsmanship involved in making these tables is integral to achieving rustic elegance. Artisans often employ a range of techniques to highlight the beauty of the wood while ensuring functionality. Joinery methods are crucial, as they must provide strength and stability without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. Traditional techniques such as mortise and tenon joints allow for durable constructions that can stand the test of time, while also showcasing the woodworking skills of the artisan. Additionally, sanding and finishing are vital steps that enhance the wood's natural beauty. A hand-rubbed oil finish can accentuate the grain and texture, creating a tactile experience that draws people in. One of the most significant benefits of handcrafted rustic wooden side tables is their versatility. Unlike mass-produced furniture, these bespoke pieces can be tailored to meet specific needs and complement existing decor styles. The size, shape, and finish can be customized based on the consumer's preferences, enhancing their living space while offering functional solutions. A side table can serve as a simple spot to place a drink, a decorative display for plants or art objects, or an additional storage solution with drawers or shelves. Each handcrafted table can fulfill multiple functions. Furthermore, the emotional connection that comes with owning handcrafted items should not be overlooked. When consumers choose a handcrafted side table, they often feel a deeper appreciation for the artistry and effort that went into its creation. This emotional investment fosters a sense of pride in ownership and can transform a simple piece of furniture into a treasured family heirloom. The story behind each table, the materials used, the techniques employed, and the artisan's vision adds depth that mass-produced items lack. In addition to their physical and emotional benefits, handcrafted rustic wooden side tables contribute to the aesthetic harmony of living spaces. The organic beauty of wood combined with artisanal craftsmanship can create focal points in a room. Placing a rustic side table next to a plush sofa or in an inviting reading nook can enhance the overall ambience, drawing attention to its character while complementing other design elements. The textures and colors inherent in the wood establish a warm, inviting atmosphere, making spaces feel more homey and lived in. While rustic elegance often evokes a sense of nostalgia, it is also adaptable to contemporary living. Many modern designs incorporate rustic elements without being overly traditional. For instance, a side table with a live edge showcases the natural contours of the wood while pairing it with sleek metal legs, striking a perfect balance between rustic and modern aesthetics. Such designs cater to a wider audience, appealing to both those who admire traditional craftsmanship and those who prefer a more contemporary look. The benefits of handcrafted wooden side tables extend beyond aesthetics and emotional connections. They also contribute positively to environmental sustainability. Choosing to create furniture from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood promotes eco-friendly practices and reduces waste. Artisans who focus on sustainability in their craftsmanship can attract a growing demographic of environmentally conscious consumers who wish to make responsible purchasing decisions. Moreover, promoting local craftsmanship can foster economic growth within communities. Supporting local artisans helps sustain traditional skills and crafts while generating income for individuals and families. When consumers prioritize handcrafted items, they contribute to a broader community ethos that values creativity, quality, and sustainable practices. This ripple effect demonstrates that purchasing decisions can have profound impacts beyond the home, influencing local economies and preserving artisanal heritage. Another notable aspect of rustic wooden side tables is their ability to act as conversation starters in social settings. A uniquely crafted piece often draws interest and invites guests to inquire about its origin or the story behind its creation. This engagement can lead to deeper discussions about artistry, design, and craftsmanship, enriching interpersonal connections. Such interactions highlight the role that furniture can play in human experiences, bridging the gap between functionality and art. In the digital age, marketing handcrafted items presents both challenges and opportunities. Artisans can leverage online platforms to reach wider audiences interested in unique home furnishings. Creating an engaging online presence through social media can showcase craftsmanship and allow potential customers to witness the creation process. Documenting the story behind each piece not only builds a brand, but also illustrates the values of sustainability and individuality that resonate so strongly with today's consumers. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Rustic Elegance handcrafted wooden side table. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.